Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use autofill in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so autofill is one of the quickest ways to save time in Google Sheets. Instead of typing the same information repeatedly, you can use the autofill option to copy values, formulas, dates, or even create number sequences with just a few clicks. So there's a number of different methods what we can try. So I'm going to go through method number one. Now this is autofill using the fill handle. So the fill handle is a small blue square that appears in the bottom right hand corner of your cell, as you can see on my screen. Now basically what we can do is put in a word or number. I'm going to go ahead and put in apple. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that cell, click on that little blue dot, and there's going to be a crosshair. Just drag that down and that's going to autofill for the next 7 lines apple. Now method 2 is to create a number series. So to create a sequence, enter in 1 and then in the first cell and then second in the next cell, and then select both cells and again click on that little blue dot and drag that down, and that's going to automatically autofill it 1 to 10. Method 3 is to autofill days, months, and dates. So there's a few different ways what we can do. So we can do, say, Monday, Tuesday, and again highlight both and then drag that down, and that's going to autofill. We can do the same with dates. So we can do the 2nd of the 1st, 2026, and then drag them down like so. Now we can also copy a formula. So I'm going to get rid of this stuff here. So suppose you have a formula, for example, A2 plus a B2. We can go ahead and drag that down, and that's going to go ahead and autofill, or Google Sheets are going to automatically adjust the references.